Hey guys, and we're back again with another Bitcoin technical analysis video. If you're excited to be here, hit that like button. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in today. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to stay updated whenever I post the next video. So it looks like Bitcoin is starting to play out exactly as I predicted in my last video yesterday. So basically in that last analysis, I talked about what was happening in the Bitcoin chart here on the daily time frame. I told you guys that, hey, we are looking bullish here on the daily time frame. However, something does not look right here, okay? I felt like this move up was a bull trap. I told you guys, okay, the way I see it, the next daily candle is going to end up being a bearish candle, and that is because if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll notice something fishy on the 4-hour time frame. Where is it? Okay, right here. So on the 4-hour time frame, we had some very strange things happening with the volume. Okay, so when Bitcoin broke this resistance of 19,000, right, to 19,500 and 20,000, that was resistance that Bitcoin had to break. And yesterday, Bitcoin ended up breaking that resistance. However, when it did that, there was a huge selling that occurred after that. You can see that the sell volume was extremely high compared to the buy volume when we broke out of it. However, even though there was this massive sell off that happened, the price continued to move higher, right? But as the price was moving higher, the volume was actually declining, okay? The volume started declining after this huge sell off. We just kept going higher. We had a little bit of high volume from this candle, but then after that, the volume declined. And then because of this is where we started seeing this huge sell off that happened right here. So this was going to make it so that the daily candle that just closed a few hours ago, it was going to make it to turn bearish, and that candle was bearish for quite some time. Let me go back to that daily time frame. So you'll see here, we have a long wick at the bottom, right? This is because the price went all the way down to like 19,263, okay? And when I saw that, I'm like, wow, Bitcoin is finally doing what I expected it to do, you know? But towards the afternoon, my time, the price just started retracing back. That was a bit strange. I'm like, what the heck? Why is the price retracing back? You know, it retraced all the way back and it ended up closing above 20,000, okay? It closed above the resistance here. But even though it did that, we still got a bearish candle, just like I predicted, right? I predicted that this daily candle was going to end up being bearish, and that is exactly what happened. You know, and if you look at the sell volume, you'll see the sell volume is extremely high, right? It was high, and it's higher than the last two buy volume. Look at that, right? It completely engulfed those two last days of buying volume that we see here, right? Because we got this bearish candle on the daily time frame, what I believe that's going to happen is this next daily candle that just started is probably going to go down just so it can close off this wick, okay? Because yes, the bears, they wanted to bring the price down, and they succeeded in bringing it down, but they couldn't close it down. So now I think the bears are going to come in even more with more volume to bring the price way below 19,000, and they're going to close below 19,000, okay? This is what I am expecting, okay? So it looks like, yeah, 20,400 is a huge resistance right now for Bitcoin. Anytime we keep coming near it, the price just keeps getting rejected. We got rejection right here. We got rejection right here. So in order for Bitcoin to successfully continue moving higher, it needs to get a close above 20,400. on the 1 hour time frame and on the 4 hour time frame. That has not happened, and this is why we're getting all this massive selling because of that 20,400 resistance. So yeah, so right now the market is starting to look bearish. So my expectation is that the price is going to go all the way down to like 18,000 in the next 24 hours. Okay, this bull candle here earlier today obviously was another bull trap, you know, because after we got this huge bullish looking candle, what happened? We started getting two bearish candle. Okay, yeah, this one has not finished yet, but it's going to finish soon, and I believe it's going to be bearish just like this one was. And guys, this is not looking good. Okay, this is not looking good. It looks like the bulls are losing the strength to move the price of Bitcoin high. So yeah, right now Bitcoin is definitely heading down to 18,000. If it doesn't happen, I will be surprised. Okay, so right now the resistance that Bitcoin needs to break is 20,400. 20,400 is the resistance that Bitcoin really needs to break if it wants to continue moving higher. Okay, and if we get a break above that, then I will be confident in placing a long. Right now the price seems to be holding above this 20,000 support, right? You know, it used to be resistance, so now the price is currently holding it as support, but I don't think that support is going to hold for long, you know, because the daily time frame here, you know, we got a bearish candle, so with high volume, with high selling volumes. So don't be surprised if by tomorrow or in the next 21 hours, you see Bitcoin below 19,000. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is it for the analysis. I hope you guys found some value out of it. Smash that like button if you really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.